So we've talked a bit about how focal length affects the magnification and angle of view of an image, but there's something else to think about when you're choosing what focal length to shoot a scene in. Let's say that the red candle on this table is our subject, and we want to shoot him in more or less the lower right section of the frame. Right now we're shooting with a 55mm lens, and we're about 5 feet away from the red candle. If we switch to a wider focal length, say we go all the way down to 10mm by switching lenses, not surprisingly, we have a much wider angle of view. Now, if we move our camera much closer to the red candle and try to get the same framing that we had previously with the 55mm lens, something changes. Notice now that although our red candle is once again framed in more or less the lower right section of the screen, the distance between both the red candle and the other candles has changed. This is considered a change in perspective. If you ever hear someone say they want to choose a different lens in order to get a different perspective, you'll know what they're talking about. In a side-by-side view, we can really see the change. Again, because we've moved the camera forward to compensate for the wider focal length, our red candle is about the same size and is about in the same section of the frame, but the apparent distance between the subject and the background has changed.